Thutha wa thirikari nene kuhitukira ministry ya kigina kwendekithia kurengwo gwa kigina hari honge itiganite, kaunti ciothe 47 ni imwe cia kuria kigina kiendekithitio kurengwo, ha ciringi bilioni 20 ikiendekithio gucerehurirwo kaunti ici.
Thank you very much, Chair.
Ni undu uria wabururite marakara ma magavana na njira nene, umuthi magavana 20 magikinya mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igie kigina niguo kuonania mathuguta mao riu magitariria ati undu uyu ngikinyanirio mihango mingi ya kaunti gutigwe rugamite ceni. KANJU ya magavana itongoretio ni munini wa muikariri giti Gavana Ahmed Abdullahi yaiteka kuga ati ikinyaniri ni mugaro na watho wa ugania wa kigina riu kaunti igetetera kumana na murigo wa marihi matiganite mari ifataire kuriha kwa muhiano igoti ria nyumba marihi mongerere ma NSSF gatagata-ini ka marihi mangi maria mathiete meyongereire.
Housing levy deductions 4 billion shillings, enhanced contributions to NSSF. This is as a result of legislative changes at the national level.
There is a misconceived notion that has always been there that equitable share is the national government giving counties part of their money.
Kurigana na magavana aya kwa ihinda riri hakuhi kaunti ciothe ni ciamukirite notithi cia migomo kuma kuri ikundi itiganite cia aruti a wira na gucerehorwo gwa kigina giki ni kionereria kiega kia ati mihango mingi ya kaunti no egutharara undu uyu wakinyanira.
The national government has increased salaries. Robert Dubai is waiting for me. We have an appointment because he has already called, is preparing to call a strike for all county workers. We have already, and I'm sure the Senate is aware because you were invited here, signed return to work formulas with doctors, with clinical officers and nurses. Those return to work formulas have components for increase of salaries, hiring of extra personnel. Statutory deductions have already been mentioned.
Ninge magavana ni mamenereirie thirikari nene makiuge turite matuite njararuhi kwa ihinda iraya ikienda mathaithanage mahinda mothe niguo maheo kigina kiao thengia mutaratara wa ugai wa kigina giki gukorwo tariirio wega gatiba-ini.
In health and all other matters, the staff promotions and allowances, there are strikes all over. I'm only emphasizing the importance of the Senate stamping the authority to have this money going back to the counties.
We may need to ask ourselves whether we need to go back to the Kenyans who passed the constitution and allow the executive to annex the counties and we go home. Because we cannot keep on operating on a mode of begging what is rightfully ours.
Thina ungi munene uria ukirie guthararia kaunti ni gucerithirio gwa kigina kiria gikinyagira kaunti kuma kuri thirikari nene umuthi kaunti igithie mieri 3 hatari kwamukira kigina o giothe riu amwe aruti a wira magithie mieri 3 matakwamukira mishara yao.
Unless we are saying that the man who stood in Kasarani and defended the constitution is not going to defend it, then we have a problem.
Mbere ya kamiti ya ugayania wa kigina kia muingi ya CRA no enyitanire na kaunti kuregana na kurengwo gwa kigina giki riu CRA kiuga gutire gitumi kiiganu ya kurenga mbeca ici kuma kuri kaunti.
And there is no justification to reduce the county allocation. The proposed reduction in the county allocation in the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill 2024 would negatively affect the capacity of the county governments to provide services to the citizens given the timelines in the budget calendar.
Harine Kameme TV letora koni Bataro wa Mwage.